You must be wrongdoing, you know what? I did no such wrong thing to you. I don't even know you know what? Okay, stay calm. Okay? Alright?
Hey, do you think can be without my technology? Maybe my first spot.
Hey, who are you?
Xins, the hero with a first spot. You know what? I protected the world for too long.
Alright. But you know what? Choosing like this, you must unavoidably take into account of timeline. You started from past, and you've been doing this till now, until the curtains of your life are fallen. It's a situation where you can't tell the end, but it's a continuous action from past. That's the reason why you can't use present progressive here. But this moment, present perfect progressive functions here.
Okay. Damn! This one no!
Where is it going?
Do you want to send audio to your mom?
Yes! Hello, Ma. I'm not sure I can come back. But please say that I'm fine. Bye. Let's get the son of a bitch!
That was calling soft and low. I hear that magic, I'll never know. The wind speaks but keeps its sky.